everybody. Hi, Joe.
Hi, Suvamar.
Hi, everybody.
Hello.
RD here. Hi, everybody.
Over video. Over camera.
I've already made my glass.
चेहरा दिखाओ
over camera off करके रखा है.
हेलो पार्था.
पूरा अभी
Hi,
सही है.
good evening, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, Partha. Hi, Partha.
Hi.
आईके जायसवाल बहुत दिनों बाद.
हेलो.
आज तक क्लियर नहीं हुआ मुझे.
Hi, everybody.
पार्थो है.
हेलो.
Hi. बहुत दिन बाद
संजीव,
जागे हैं
हेलो.
लोग.
Hi, आलोक भाई नमस्कार.
नमस्कार सर. नमस्कार राजेश भाई. संजीव ऊपर हो, गर्दन ऊपर करो. संजीव दादा. संजीव बनर्जी.
आज टाइगर तो
हेलो,
जम रहे हैं
हेलो.
भैया, है पूरा जनरल.
आवाज आ रही है.
हाय टाइगर. जनरल साहब.
अरे डीनो सर.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार डीनो सर.
नमस्कार प्रोफेसर.
नमस्कार.
कहाँ है डिनो? अरे
नमस्कार. डीनो आए कुर्ता पैजामा पहन के.
Cheers.
ये हमारा
Cheers.
Hi everybody. Hello.
Cheers.
हमारा बोतल पे सीधा cheers.
अशोक,
अतुल भी है. आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आइंस्टाइन कहाँ चला गया? आ गया.
अशोक,
आइंस्टाइन आ गया.
अरे राज बाबू चेहरा तो दिखाओ यार.
राज भवन है अभी बहुत दिनों बाद.
अच्छा कहाँ है? Where is he? है यार.
है ना?
रजत.
Hi रतन.
अच्छा ये दिख गया लालटेन भाई. आज लालटेन भाई नमस्कार.
दिख रहा भैया. अरे भवनवा नमस्कार. प्रणाम.
बोवा.
हाय पाजी. हाय रजत.
Hi there.
अरे
हाय रजत.
Hi Rajat, how are you?
I'm good. Long time no see, man.
भाई.
As people are coming.
Hi, Anil.
रिपोर्टर लगा के.
अरे संजीव बैनर्जी वीडियो ऑन करो, ऑडियो ऑन करो. और क्या ऑन करे?
कौन आईफोन वाला कौन है भाई?
जो ऑन कर सकते हो कर लो.
राज शर्ट क्या पहन लिया यार? राज की शर्ट नहीं दिख रही है. राज कांट सी योर शर्ट.
शर्ट है भैया. अब शर्ट देखोगे कि हमको देखोगे यार?
अबे तो थोड़ा ऊपर होकर बैठो.
ऐसे
नहीं ऊपर होकर बैठो, देखेंगे पतलून है कि नहीं नीचे.
नीचे का क्या जरूरत है? उसका
इससे ज्यादा मत
क्वालिटी है.
भाई नीचे का तो कोई था नहीं ना. नीचे का कोई प्रोटोकॉल था नहीं.
वरुण ने बताया ही नहीं तो हमने पहना ही नहीं.
वो तो गेम में रखा हुआ है.
कितने लोग हैं? कितने लोग हैं?
डरो की चेस्ट तक भी ना दिखाओ.
देखो
संजीव बैनर्जी का भाई चेहरा दिखवाओ इसको. कोई बताओ इसके कैमरा में वीडियो होता है क्या होता है?
जस्ट योर कैमरा मैन.
अब देखो
योर कैमरा.
वो अपने पेट
मेरे जैसा हेड गियर किसी के पास है.
गजब. उसको भी खोल देते.
वो बाद में लास्ट.
अभिजीत.
हाँ
भैया ये 1 घंटा कैसे हो पाएगा जब पीछे सब इतना सामान लगा रखा है.
अजय चीयर्स.
तो अग्रवाल.
अबे अजय तो अभी से जाने के चक्कर में लग गया.
सब हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी अजय.
अरे भैया अभिजीत दादा के रंगत देख करके हम लोगों को साली वो हो रही है.
अरे हाय जो तो
है.
बात है.
हेलो.
हाय.
और कुछ बोलो भाई.
चलो भाई सूत्रधार प्रारंभ करो भाई.
1 मिनट साइलेंस शुरू हो गया क्या?
हेलो.
1 मिनट साइलेंस.
अरे वाह क्या टोपी है.
अब दो अंपायर भी तो है ना.
तो अंपायर भी दिख गया.
चलेगा तो अंपायर भी तो चाहिए ना. दो
कौन है एम्पायर भाई?
देख लो ना, ये दो टोपी पहन के दो ही तो है।
कलकत्ता।
बे 3 है ना, भूल गए।
मैं हूँ थर्ड अंपायर। तो
अनिल
टाइगर को बचाने वाली टोपी पहने हैं भैया, उसको बचा के रखना है जनरल वा को।
अरे शुभम शर्मा कौन है यार? शुभम शर्मा,
ये भी है।
शुभम शर्मा
अमित है
कौन?
भाई, 4 हो गए।
अग्रवाल साहब नमस्कार।
नमस्कार
अग्रवाल साहब नमस्कार।
वेलकम अशोक।
नमस्कार नमस्कार।
अरे दादा
और राजेश,
हाय अशोक,
अजय, रजत,
बोलो।
हाय एवरीबॉडी। हाय एवरीबॉडी।
हाय राजीव, हाय राजीव।
राजीव,
After a really long time, Ajay. Yeah.
Quite a big crowd. Arun, R.D. Gupta and Rajiv Singh are also joining.
हाँ तो
यार मैं हूँ।
I heard his voice but I can't see him यार।
I can see you all, but
राजीव सिंह
RD, I can hear you but you are not, I can't see you as Mr. India।
राजीव सिंह प्लान कर रहा है क्या? आरडी गुप्ता तो कर रहा है।
ओके नो
R.D. is supposed to be.
R.D. Gupta joining. क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
कहाँ है भाई?
क्या मैं यही हूँ? अब आऊंगा।
ठीक है।
तुम अपना वीडियो ठीक करो।
मेरा तो ऑन है वीडियो। आईफोन किसका है? मेरा आईफोन है।
RD
नहीं आ रहा है, वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है, वीडियो ऑन करो।
आईफोन मेरा नहीं है भाई।
वीडियो
नहीं, तुम्हारा वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है।
आईफोन कौन है? मैं हूँ आरडी गुप्ता। वेलकम वेलकम आरडी राज।
अरे नन्हे भाई,
क्या हाल है लोग, कैसे हो?
शक्ल नहीं दिख रहा है यार।
अरे मेरी शक्ल क्यों नहीं दिख रही है?
तुम उसमें तुम्हारा वीडियो ऑन नहीं है।
वीडियो कैसे ऑन करेंगे?
बोलो किसी बच्चे को, बोलो घर पे। तुम करने लगे तो।
अच्छा अभी बोलता हूँ एक मिनट को।
इसके सिंह भाई साहब,
इसके
सुगेंदु का नाम बदल गया क्या? शुभम शर्मा।
क्या हो गया?
राइट यार, शुभम शर्मा कब से हुआ तुमसे?
आंटी का नाम आ गया।
बाकी भैया बहुत बाकी है अभी तो बहुत
Rajiv Singh is not visible यार।
अरुण
And I have no idea how to change.
क्या?
I have no idea how my nephew.
संजीव बैनर्जी कनेक्ट कर रहा है यार, उसको थोड़ा धक्का लगाओ।
संजीव बैनर्जी का नहीं कनेक्ट हो पा रहा है। RD गुप्ता का वीडियो नहीं कनेक्ट हुआ है।
संजीव दिखाई दिया लाल रंग का।
हाय संजीव।
हाय संजीव।
हो रहा है?
हाय श्यामल।
Slide
हाँ
show.
संजीव आ गया।
हाँ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा।
संजीव तो
पूरा
रेड हाउस हो गया। कुछ
बोले तो।
संजीव पूरा
रेड हाउस है।
हेलो
रेड
संजीव।
हाउस कैसे है यार?
हो रहा है?
रेड हाउस।
अबे रेड हाउस में तो घर भी रेड कर लिया क्या?
अरे मेरी फोटो नहीं आ रही, पता नहीं क्यों।
बैनर्जी खुद भी रेड है और बैकग्राउंड भी रेड है उसका।
आरडी का फोटो नहीं दिख रहा है।
हाँ।
अब आया आरडी
अच्छा।
दिख गया
हाँ,
भैया।
हाँ।
आरडी आए आरडी।
भाई साहब बहुत साल ऑन द लैपटॉप।
दिख गया।
हाय एवरीवन। हाय अशोक।
हाय संजीव।
रेड बॉस।
वीडियो कॉल करोगे तो कैसे आओगे?
लॉन्ग टाइम। हेलो संतोष।
बट मैं दिखाऊंगा कैसे तुम्हें?
RD, how are you?
अच्छा
Good,
ठीक
good,
है।
good. You tell me how are you?
करो।
Good man, you can see my background. You know how I am.
Yeah.
Anil, is Rajiv Singh joining?
कौन बोल रहा है बैक साइड में?
He was supposed to join. I don't know.
Hi, Raj.
Anil should be able to tell.
Oye Mickey. Study
Hi,
boy.
Champ, how are you?
Rajiv का
Red
job
House.
है।
Red
हाय
House.
कुलमीत।
सर नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
Hi there.
हेलो।
Yeah, I've seen RD after 1974. I've not seen you in between.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
So haven't we also.
अच्छा, एक before the meeting starts, मेरी just humble request है कि मुझे 15 मिनट पहले बता देना, क्योंकि वो पीछे वाली मेरी जो लड़कियां मैंने तुम्हारे लिए रखी है, एक एक घर ले जा सकते हो, मुझे बताना है कौन सा वाला,
ओके
मैं पैक करके भेज दूंगा।
हमारा स्लाइड शो चालू है पीछे।
अब सर
साथ में एक एक बोतल भी लाएंगे वो लोग।
15 मिनट से ज्यादा ही लगेगा उसके लिए।
सबसे
think
अच्छी
बड़ा
वाली
भाई-
अच्छी वाली अब अभिजीत ने पीछे छुपा के
रजत,
रखी है अपनी।
रजत,
यस
मुझे डर है कि पीछे वाले के चक्कर में आपस में हम लोगों में झगड़ा ना हो जाए यार।
राइट
नहीं नहीं, झगड़ा नहीं करेंगे, तुम पहले
Stop that,
तुम
Mosi.
चूज
ये
कर
लूंगा,
लेना।
मैं वो लूंगा,
Look,
मैं इसकी लूंगा, मैं उसकी लूंगा,
हेलो।
तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी।
Guys, can we start? Can we start?
अरे यार वो
Let's
Rajiv
see who
Bindal
else
is
is
trying to
coming.
connect. I think Rajiv Bindal is trying to connect.
Deepak Chandra is coming.
नो आई थॉट ही वाज ऑलरेडी देयर।
Deepak is already here.
दीपक योर ऑडियो ऑफ।
इस पे कम लोग दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
हाय दीपक।
हाय दीपक।
हाँ, इस पे कम लोग दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
कौन कहाँ है? Go on the gallery view. Go on the gallery view.
हाँ, वही गैलरी व्यू पे भी कितने लोग आ सकते हैं एक बार? 25।
25
25
तो 25 आ रहे हैं।
Screen 1, screen 2.
मैं तो पिकअप कर रहा हूँ लेकिन तुम्हारा वो आई नहीं रहा, ना ऑडियो आ रहा है ना वीडियो आ रहा है मेरे को।
अरुण, तुमने बैकग्राउंड बहुत अच्छा बनाया है।
ट्राई अरुण सिन्हा का नंबर ट्राई
गैलरी में
कर।
कैसे जाते हैं बताओ यार जरा। ये एक स्क्रीन
अब राइट पे व्यू है।
साइड में
एक मिनट साइलेंस हो जाए उसके बाद।
दीपक, हाय।
कौन है राइट
हाय,
में?
गुड इवनिंग।
क्या हाल है दीपक, कैसे हो?
कप्तान साहब
हाय दीपक।
हाय
ओहो, सब लोग रात को टोपी पहन के बैठे हैं, मालूम होता तो हम भी टोपी लगा लेते।
अब स्कूल कैप्टन को टोपी लगा दी ना।
दीपक तुमको टोपी पहनानी है।
अच्छा,
पहनानी है सबको।
नहीं बोले।
Wear 2 hats. 1 hat for this meeting and 1 hat to घुमाओ everyone.
चलो चालू करो, नहीं तो है मैं 45 मिनट्स निकल जाएगा।
हाँ, वो तो मालूम है। अगर 60-70 आदमी आ जाए और एक दूसरे को गुड इवनिंग बोले
हो गया।
उसी में
तो
टाइम निकल
मैट्रिक्स
जाएगा।
निकाल लो।
तो भाई साहब ये खत्म
हेलो
करो ना,
दीपक।
चालू करो।
70C2
आइटम 1 ऑफ एजेंडा चालू किया जाए।
तो
टाइगर विल स्टार्ट।
टाइगर,
आरडी गुप्ता कहाँ है भाई?
यही है भैया।
गुप्ता बैठा तो हुआ है।
आईफोन है आरडी गुप्ता।
अबे तेरा नाम आईफोन थोड़ी है आरडी गुप्ता।
आरडी गुप्ता रेड हाउस कैप्टन था, एकदम बढ़िया रेड पहन के बैठा।
रेड टी शर्ट पहन के बैठा हुआ है वो।
आरडी गुप्ता, आई वांट टू सी हिम।
भाई
चलो,
आरडी
अनिल
गुप्ता
भाई,
कहाँ
चालू
है?
करो
हमें
यार।
दिख नहीं रहा है यार।
शुरू
आरडी
करिए।
गुप्ता किधर हो भाई?
अरुण स्टार्ट।
हाँ, जनरल साहब शुरू करें।
आइटम 1 ऑन द एजेंडा। अनिल, इट्स ओवर टू यू।
आरडी गुप्ता किधर है ये?
अरे वो यार
आईफोन।
अरे आप आरडी गुप्ता, अरे यार क्या मुंह दिखाई, गजब।
आईफोन कहाँ से नाम इसमें कहाँ से फीड करेंगे?
ओहो,
राइट क्लिक करके करो ना।
गुड टू सी यू, गुड टू सी यू।
ओके ओके।
मैंने अभी अपना नाम चेंज किया तो।
चलो जनरल साहब शुरू करो।
Yeah, guys, good to see each one of you and some of you after ages out here and face to face. So we have been meeting quite often, maybe on a week or a fortnight's time on this Zoom meetings. This being the 16th foundation, it is called Sweet 16, and Arun and Raj, who have been there at the forefront of organizing this entire event. I must firstly thank them for having brought all of us out here. I think this has been the largest number of people who have been there on a Zoom meeting in the last about 1 year or so.
Let us
So
clap.
thanks Arun and thanks Raj for getting everybody together. We always say, and we have always heard this, that friendship doesn't happen with special people. People become special and make the world a better place. And I'm sure with all you guys out there, this world becomes a better place when we talk to each other face to face. And thank you for being there in our lives, each one of you. And you bring a lot of joy, a lot of happiness during these depressing times. I've been given this tough task, and I should say that it is tough. This pandemic has brought untold misery to each one of us, wherein we are losing precious lives all over. Some family members, some friends, some neighborhood, somebody in the society, which has saddened us beyond words. I'm sure it has saddened each one of us. And each one of us share the grief of people who are there on this Zoom meeting and those who are not on the Zoom meeting, who have lost their near and dear ones. Just to name few, like Anup is there, Ashok is there, Kulmeet is there, Ajit is there, Ratan, of course, is there. Both the Sunils are there. Tapan, who's there in Calcutta, he's there. So all of us have lost somebody or the other who've been close. Rajiv Mukherjee is there. We all have lost somebody who has been close to us, who has been a near and dear ones. And we share the grief, being friends, just as we share the joys also of each one of us. May I only say that may our collective prayers bring some solace, and may our good wishes ease the pain that you have gone through during this pandemic. Just as a mark of remembrance for all those people that we have lost, who have been close to our hearts, may I request my good friends to just maintain a 1 minute silence in remembrance of those souls who have departed from here, and as a mark of solidarity with our friends who are there close to our hearts. So we'll request that we maintain a 1 minute silence, and thereafter Arun takes over. The time starts now, gentlemen. Just put your hand on your heart, close your eyes for 1 minute, and Arun will give the signal thereafter.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks. Now we introduce the surprise element of the evening. Thanks to Raj Bhawan, he has organized that the surprise guest to honor the meeting today. Raj, over to you.
himself the surprise guest follow कर रहा है भाई. Pappu Kanodia goes before me.
Oh, sorry. Pradeep.
Yes.
Sorry guys, I messed up. Pradeep, now it's Pradeep will take us down the memory lane for the 16 years, how the journey has been for this group. Well, it was 2005, 13th May 2005, that we had the first meeting of the first reunion in Delhi. Over to you, Pradeep.
I remember that.
Who all attended?
That was 2006. That was 2006.
2006. Okay, maybe then I correct myself.
Five, I think.
No, 2005.
2005. Atul.
Started in 2005.
If it was
First anniversary
anyway,
was
whatever it was, 6 or 5, 16 years. Pradeep, over to you.
2005 it was. Well, friends, good evening. It's been a tremendous 16 years when you reflect on it. And it all started with a chance meeting on train with a very dear friend. I was traveling to Delhi and suddenly I saw a familiar looking face in the cabin next to me. And as the train was about to depart, his wife quietly touched his feet and left. And then after some time, this person comes up to me, calls me प्रदीप? हमने कहा यस। पहचानो हमको? हमने कहा पहचान में आ रहे हो लेकिन नाम नहीं याद आ रहा। सेन गुप्ता हूँ, तुम्हारे साथ सेंट जोसेफ में पढ़ता था। हमने कहा यस, नाउ आई रिमेम्बर यू वेरी वेल। So I each other and then chatted through the night, and he was actually going on his contract. Ship पे जा रहा था तो 6 महीने के लिए बाहर जा रहा था। I told him to come and meet me once he returns. So he came back and met me, and then we mooted the idea of this Yahoo group. हमने कहा I am not very computer savvy. कौन कर सकता है? बोला रजत है बेंगलोर में, he is very computer savvy, I'll ask him to do it. And हमने कहा अच्छा अभिजीत से बात करते हैं। I called up अभिजीत, उसने कहा मैं 2 मिनट में याहू ग्रुप बनाता हूँ, and within 5 minutes he formed the group, and that's how this Yahoo group started. And after that वो फ्रेंड्स को खोजना चालू किया, जिसमें अभिजीत ने बहुत मेहनत करी। ही लोकेटेड फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम अराउंड द ग्लोब और एक एक करके सबको ढूंढ के लाया। वो इलाहाबाद में हमारे सबसे बड़े रिसोर्स थे संजीव बैनर्जी। ही ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू गिव डिटेल्स ऑफ मेनी फ्रेंड्स। तो धीरे धीरे उनको सबको अपने फोल्ड में लाए हम लोग, एंड thus our first meet was organized on this 13 May in 2005 at the executive assembly, hosted by none other than Sotu, our Rajiv Gupta.
Yeah, I remember that.
Great evening. It was a great evening, and I remember Tiger Rai coming in, flying in from Hyderabad, along with Nanne Gupta and Santosh and others. It was a great evening, memorable evening. And then after that, it was decided amongst friends that we should do something for the school. And I must thank our friend Pitama, जिन्होंने इस पे बहुत मेहनत करी। जब हम लोग we were in Delhi for the meet, he organized our stay in the Sahara guest house. All logistic support was provided by him. And after that, right from the trophy designing to the brochure designing was done by our great Pitama. Without him, this venture wouldn't have been successful. And since then, we have been giving a trophy to the Father Rigo Scholar every year. And I must tell you, I have spoken to quite a few parents on the annual day event. They tell me that they are motivating their son in class 3, 4, 5 to one day aim for this trophy only. And in between, Father Rolfi D'Souza, who was the principal, wanted to cut short the annual events, and he wanted to cut all the events in our Father Award function. But then he got a feedback from the school and staff that no, this is a very coveted trophy and every child looks forward to it. So he decided to cut all other events except for the Father Ego event. This is a great achievement. Thanks to Pitama and Abhijit. So, though this journey may be for 16 years, but our friendship dates back to more than 50 years. Some of us have been friends for maybe 55 to 56 years or more. And I raise a toast to all of them. It has been a great journey. Thank you very much. And I look forward to Before I end, I want to pledge your support for the 50th year of passing out, which is coming in 2024. I will host a big event in Allahabad. I request all friends with families to come over to Allahabad and join us. By that time, this pandemic will also be over. So let us make it a big event. Thank you very much.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Well spoken, Pradeep. Very well spoken.
Over to you, Raj, for the surprise guest.
And here I would add one thing. I would like to add one thing, that the annual show at St. Joseph, Allahabad would not have been possible without the famous and sincere efforts of our Grand Master. So toast to our Grand Master also. Cheers.
Not to forget Abhijit Roy.
Really?
Hello.
Abhijit Roy, Kutama, they are the stalwarts from Delhi, but locally, it's the Grand Master who makes all the efforts, all arrangements and everything.
With your support, sir. With your support.
I
Can we proceed with the next item on the agenda, please?
I always play a second fiddle.
Ajay,
Let's get on with the agenda, please.
you will get enough opportunity to pray for that. Just let us get on with the next item on the agenda. Raj, yeah.
Okay, अब टेम्पटेशन तो हो रहा है कि अब मैं बोलूं कि अब आएगा मजा टाइप्स, but you guys, the damn cat is already out of the bag. एक तो अभिजीत ने इतना बड़ा मुंह खोल दिया पहले, and then the technology that I see, वो सबके नाम आ रहे हैं, तो already the cat is out of the bag. But I am going to assume no one knows who the surprise item.
Even I don't know.
किसी को नहीं पता, किसी को नहीं पता.
We don't know.
बिल्कुल, the cat is locked in the bag and the cat is already logged in. That's a different issue. So यार ये बहुत दिन से पेंडिंग था भाई साहब. There is in this entire group right now. In fact, I never imagined in my life that one day I will be addressing this group. इसमें अगर spouses होती तो I would have had to say ladies and नहीं, sorry, gentlemen तो फिर भी नहीं बोलता मैं. At best, I would have agreed on you damn scoundrels or something, ladies and damn scoundrels. But and fellow scoundrels बोल देता यार. लेकिन gentleman तो नहीं बोलता. But today I have a gentleman with us, so I'll make that exception. I mean, कई साल से ये कोशिश हो रही है to, पहले तो हुई कि to locate this gentleman, which finally happened some years back. Then various forces of nature, various forces of man have tried to get this man uprooted, and please note the word uprooted.
Got it.
Uprooted and brought to Allahabad on the sports day. But this man has got such deep roots in this damn city that he can't be uprooted very easily. So
I got it.
Mr. Roots.
So this gentleman is finally collared by us today, and I remember he was I have some very, very special attachment to this gentleman because it's a student generation thing. He was my mother's favorite student when he was studying in the St. Mary's Teachers Training College. And even if he never told me this thing, I was definitely one of his favorite students. So with no further delay, let us all put our hands together. And I guess now that we have grown up, even whistling is allowed. You can whistle and clap and do whatever to welcome this gentleman who taught us. He was my class teacher in class 6A, Mr. Clarence Roots. And Mr. Clarence Roots, you can unmute yourself, audio, video, the stage is all yours, dear sir.
Welcome, sir. Good evening.
Welcome, sir.
Hi.
Good evening, sir.
Welcome, sir. Good evening.
Welcome, sir.
So good to see you.
And it's good to be remembered, and it brings back memories of the good days we had in SJC. So I have to thank Raj for that. He's visited me here, And well, I didn't know he was planning this sort of thing, but well, he has. So it's nice to see all of you all.
This Sanjeev Banerjee. I was in your class in 6th A. Sanjeev Banerjee. I used to run cross country.
ऐसे बोलो, तेरे को वो डंडा मार के बाहर खड़ा करते थे तो याद आएगा.
He was, sir was too much of a gentleman. I don't think he ever used to hit.
That was too long ago for me to actually remember, names and faces like that.
Faces have changed now.
Those were my first 5 years of teaching. And
I remember you very fondly.
yeah, that's your memory.
We all remember you. We all remember you, sir.
When 5 batches of 40 students each have gone through, it's hard to remember anyone that way. In particular, names here and there, okay, it might.
Share screen वाला option
But it's good to see all of you all, and it's good to know that so many of you all remember me.
A distinct pleasure, sir.
That's a great credit.
We all remember you, sir.
So you were not only the tallest amongst the teachers out there, but also tallest as far as the teaching was concerned amongst the teachers out there. Sir.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Nice to hear that.
No, since I got him in, let me also keep sharing some secrets about him. And don't worry, sir. Don't worry, sir. I'm not going to tell that one.
Tell this one.
One of the secrets, and I hope some of you all will also remember this. Mr. Clarence Roots, in those days, when he joined us from St. Mary's, I can go on record, and I would bet my money on this, that Mr. Clarence Roots was the heartthrob of every single lady teacher who was looking for a husband. And the best part of it is he gave them no
सब लोग दिल्ली में, हम यहाँ पर हैं अकेले.
He gave them no bhav at all. But every teacher was sort of hitting on him. Every lady teacher was hitting on him. Is that right, sir? Now he agrees.
He is still very handsome now.
Oh yeah.
ड्राइवर भी नहीं है यार.
So this morning when we were discussing what to do, he was asking me, do you want me to take a speech? I said, speech to nahi hoga. But if you want, you can explain to us the first stanza of Daffodils by William Wordsworth or whoever had written it. मेरे को तो वो भी याद है. Or Ricky Tikki Tavi from Adventures in Literature. He was the guy who walked us through that.
Yes.
चलो इंशाल्लाह.
Yes, sir. The floor is yours.
That's the I wandered lonely as a cloud.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah.
बोल रहे हैं, उनको म्यूट कर दो ना. अब वो फोन पे बात कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है.
Mute everyone, yeah.
So what's on now?
The next thing I was supposed to say, I think the organizers have forgotten that I had a tribute to pay to Mr. Roots.
Okay.
So my tribute actually follows exactly what Mr. Bowen has been saying. I joined school in class 7 and I was deputed to Blue House. So Blue House, I was just a young boy, 7, and we had come from a village called Dibrugarh in Assam. And so when the march past and all that, assemblies and all that, I would see this man who looked like Clint Eastwood, So exactly,
he does.
Girls were, obviously, and the teachers were obviously freaking out on him. And I was in awe of him. And he was my house master. I said, wow, man, I got Clint Eastwood as my house master. What can be better? And then Mr. Eastwood suddenly vanished. When I joined, I was a bacha. So I thought this gentleman, he shouldn't be in a school. He should be acting in movies like Clint. And then he vanished. And 2-3 years, I thought that actually that now he's gone to Hollywood.
Okay.
And that was the right place for him. But then ultimately I now find that he landed up in Bollywood. I don't know whether he did any acting there, but I still remember that slim, tall, elegant man who never shouted, who was, the epitome of what a good housemaster should be. Very pally, very sweet, but very tough also. I don't remember tough because he didn't finger me. So, Mr. Roots, my remembrance of you and to many of my brothers and all the girls in St. Mary's and all the teachers is that of your being Clint Eastwood. So, welcome, Mr. Eastwood. And let me tell you one more thing. I have been watching Clint Eastwood's films of late.
Okay.
He's no match on you. He's no match. He's no Sober and Haggard. I mean, come on. I mean, I'm so happy that my Mr. Clint Eastwood has overtaken the real or the unreal bloody Clint Eastwood. Thank you so much for being there with us.
Yeah, thanks also. Thanks also.
Anyone else who has any memory of Mr. Roots? I have too many. I don't even want to start.
Sanjeev Banerjee.
Sanjeev Banerjee, you've been his great fan.
He's muted. Sanjeev Banerjee, mic is muted.
तुम्हारा म्यूट है संजीव, अनम्यूट करो.
अरे ठीक है यार, करते रहो ना, क्या बात है.
Yes, Sanjeev, come on.
Sanjeev, you're on.
Hello. This is I'm Subham here.
Anybody? Why Sanjeev?
I remember that he was a very soft, very gentle sir. So once the entire class of 6th grade did some naughty thing or something, so he slapped the entire class, and his slapping was so soft that we were in fact laughing on the way. He was such a thorough gentleman, Really, he was a gem of a person.
Sanjeev, when that thing had happened, there was another twist to the tale. I was also part of that class which got slapped, and you're right, everyone was sharp. Up one by one, and then he would come and give one tight rap to everyone. Now, when it came to my turn, Mr. Roots was in a dilemma because my mom had been his teacher. How would he give me a tight rap? Mr. Roots would have been in trouble. So he came from behind and gave me a sort of a light tap on my head.
Okay.
But so he maintained the protocol, but after the class, he took me aside and he asked me, "I hope you're not hurt."
Now that's something, Raj. That's something.
I also remember that.
Very interesting.
So that was the gentleman in him because he knew he had to find a way out.
I think he also took us to a trip to Papa Mau, remember?
Yes.
In a bicycle.
Yes.
Mr. Raphael was.
I remember that.
Okay. It was a very nice trip.
He had that good combination with Mr. Francis Moore. Both of them very different.
Yes.
Mr. Moore I remember once he was pushing me to recite that damn horrible poem, Abu Ben Adam. I don't know who the hell ever wrote that poem. I mean, Abu Ben Adam, why the hell should his tribe increase? Horrible fellow. But at the moment I started, Mr. Roots in his gentle ways telling me, "Raj, put some life into it." Abu Ben Adam, how can you put life here? Then Mr. Francis Moore was there. He said, "Clarence, you move. I'll tell him how to put life into it." And Mr. Moore came behind me and gave me such a whack of a kick on my bum. And after that, Abu Ben Adam went very, very light.
Very well said.
Mr. Roots, this is how it was in those days. Lovely times.
Those were good days.
Those were the days.
Much has changed in teaching since then. We can't go tapping up and whacking chaps on the backside nowadays.
Yes, sir.
You will be charged for child abuse.
Pardon?
So when did you leave
child abuse?
So when did you leave SJC?
After Mr. Crofton home joined.
Yeah, 72. I started in 67 and then I left in 72.
Okay.
Then I went back to my old school, St. Francis, Lucknow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you met some teachers in the recent past? Have you been interacting with some of them?
No, none. None.
Did you have a crush on any of the teachers?
Good question.
I'm sure all of us want to know that, ask that question, but I thought I'll go ahead and ask it.
No, not really.
Not really.
Were you married by that time? All that.
High restraint in the response.
No. Were you married by that time?
No.
What about Miss Merriman? Miss Merriman. Merriman.
No. I don't even.
Thank God she came after you, I think.
See, the problem is nobody dare look at Miss Merriman because she was a colonel's daughter.
The colonel's daughter.
Joe Shankar. I think Abhijit had a crush on her. That's why he's asking the question.
I had crush on all the ladies here. What to do?
Hello.
और कुछ नाम बताओ ना यार. Maybe Mr. Roots will remember some other name.
Pledge पे बढ़ाओ आगे.
Miss Scotty was there.
Close kar lo and then, or you want me to just seg you in?
Miss Scotty.
Yeah, Miss Scotty.
Guys, can we move over to the next item on the agenda? We are going back to the school assembly ground. And would request Mr. Roots to lead us to the pledge, which we have been reciting every Saturday on the SJC grounds.
When I sent the pledge in the morning to Mr. Roots, I told him that we have taken the liberty of making a small modification there. When we were in school, we said all Indians are my brothers and sisters, but it would look very odd to tie a Rakhi on my wife's hand. So I said we'll leave her out, but he's fine. He's saying I'm going to stay with the old school pledge. So I said okay. So you lead it and we will follow you, sir.
Right, sir. Right.
Yeah, the arm goes up and all that sort of stuff.
Arm goes up like this.
Absolutely. Over to you, sir.
Right. India is my country.
India is my country.
And all Indians.
All Indians.
My brothers
Except
and
my spouse.
And my brothers and sisters.
And my brothers and
I love
sisters.
my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of it.
And I am proud
And I am
of
proud of
it.
its
Heritage.
heritage.
I shall strive to be worthy of it.
I shall strive
I
to
shall
strive
strive
to
to
be
be
worthy of
worthy
it.
of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall
teachers,
give my
and
parents,
others respect.
I shall give my parents,
and
all elders,
respect and treat everyone with courtesy.
And treat everyone with courtesy.
And treat everyone with
courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
And my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my
my
devotion.
devotion,
Their prosperity
in
Their prosperity
and well-being alone
and well-being alone
Alone.
is my happiness.
lies my
and
happiness.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This just reminds me of my sports day. I used to take that oath, similar oath on the mic, in the glory of sports.
Okay.
That used to be almost similar.
Now we are into a very interesting part of the program. I'll again hand it back to Raj Bowen to keep you guys engrossed for the next 10 minutes. Maybe you'll find it really interesting. I can bet on that.
Yes, Mr. Boy.
Raj, over to you.
Okay. I mean, Arun is rarely so polite to me when we talk normally, but I'm fine with that. I know that we have a class teacher with us watching, and he has all the liberty to rap us on the knuckles if we step out of line. So I'll tell you how this idea popped up. This morning, Arun and Anil and I were chatting. It was a fairly freewheeling chat. Ki yaar, organize to kar diya event, karenge kya? You know, normally we are the type who will say yes first and then figure out ki karna kya hai. So, and then we have, of course, there's an agenda after this, which is games and stuff. But there's this funny combination of sobriety with fun. You know, there is a somber mood because whatever pandemic, etc. And by the way, one of the rules which Arun was supposed to announce, but I'm doing it for him because he forgot about it, that during this meeting today, we will not talk about Corona. We will not start asking each other ki tumhare yahan kitne case ho gaye and all that, ventilator nahi, oxygen nahi and all that. We'll leave it out for the moment. And after this is done, we can go and start doing that jing bang about Corona all over again. But for this session, we agreed that we'll keep Corona out of it. This is a schoolboys gathering, and this is the same damn schoolboys who enjoyed corners and gentari and monkey ladders, and we'll keep that damn spirit up. Because I think we owe it to ourselves to create a little pocket of happiness among this doom and gloom all around us. So it's a funny combination. It just came up spontaneously when we were talking, ki how do we do something which is not only fun, but it is also a little meaningful to each one of us. Because this and I think Pradeep spoke about it and Anil spoke about it, this word friendship is very loosely understood at times. And I think now we are all past 60. I can see a couple who at least look past 70. Sir, I'm not referring to you. You are sweet 16. but those people who are I'm referring to, they know who I'm referring to. They are definitely past 70. वो जब स्कूल में एडमिशन ले रहे थे तो 10 साल कम लिखवाया था. Because वैसे भी बहुत फेल होना था. They would still have to catch up. So then we came up with this idea कि एक combination करते हैं जिसमें थोड़ा सा there is a seriousness to it, but there is fun also. You know what happens, and these days there are so many people dying. When someone dies, we say very nice things about the person. And if he's a big man, then even the newspaper writes articles about how good he was. Even if a damn villain dies, we say how good he was. Even if a damn rapist dies, we say what a gentleman he was. Now, this is so strange. So we said ki it's a blessing of God that 33 or 34 of us were on this call today, and there are many more friends outside who are not on this call, that we are alive and we are well and we are privileged to know each other as friends. So why don't we do a little bit of appreciation while we are alive? And that's where we thought of this topic ki kal ho na ho. So let's not wait for that moment ki that someone has kicked the bucket and then we say ki yaar kitna badhiya banda tha yaar. And we never told him that on his face. So let's try and do that today. It's a bit of a different exercise and there is a little bit of a rule book to it. And we'll keep it short and we'll keep it crisp and we'll keep it authentic and we will keep it dil se. Absolute dil se. There are no hold. Friends में क्या formality यार जो मर्जी बोलना बोलो और अच्छा बोलना है तो उसमें तो रूट साहब भी कुछ डांटे उठेंगे नहीं. I'm sure he will not say कि नहीं, why are you praising him so much? He was always getting 0 in my class. Doesn't matter. So the rule is very simple. All of us are gathered here. Each one of us must get one guy appreciating him. So let me explain the model. If I see for some reason I'm seeing Rajiv Mukherjee straight in front of me. So suppose I have to appreciate Rajiv. I will not say that, Rajiv and I met first in 1947 and we won't say that. I will say, Rajiv, I'm going to give you some appreciation on your damn nose, even if it's a funny sort of a nose. So I will tell Rajiv, you to me are one of the most warm-hearted, genuine, authentic, loving, caring human beings I've ever met in my life, and I'm grateful to have you as a part of my life. Something like that. So you talk to the person, talk to him straight, and tell him exactly what you feel about him. This is not the time for feedback to improve. So Rajiv may have 500 things that he could do better. I couldn't care less for that today. Today, I want to acknowledge and appreciate Rajiv, what makes him special to me. So that way we'll go around, and each of us must do one appreciation for one person, so that at the end of it, we've appreciated, everyone walks out of this exercise appreciated by one friend. Does that make sense?
Very well said. Very well said, Raj.
Fantastic. And one must keep quiet when the persons are speaking. That is more
I think
important.
that's a gentleman's promise we do to each other. And as the sort of not self-appointed but by pushed by these two goons into this thing that Raj, you do this, Raj, you do this. Arun Sinha and Anil conned me into this. So if you guys are fine, I can go first straight off the bat.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
please start.
So I have a very authentic reason for first. Let me see, where is this damn red guy of the blue house? I see him now. Sanjeev Banerjee Urf Shamol.
Yeah, I am from the Red House.
You are not supposed to speak. You are supposed to stay quiet. You are supposed to listen. So Sanjeev, here's my input to you. First of all, you were my first official St. Joseph's friend the day we walked into school. Do you remember that? Can you
You're
not?
not supposed to say that, I thought.
Certainly, yes.
You cannot.
Those lines.
Okay. Sanjeev was you were my first school friend when I walked into school. And as we speak today, I still hold you in my heart as my first, and kids used to love this, as my best school friend. And what I love about you, I've always believed that anyone who owns a dog is a good guy. And Sanjeev, you own 10 of them at last count, if I'm not mistaken. That makes you a damn good guy. And the third thing I loved about you was you were one of the best athletes St. Joseph's ever saw. And by the way, that made me feel very jealous also, because I wanted to be an athlete, but I had a damn dust allergy, because of which I used to sit on those steps, which was called the Lula Langda steps, while all of you enjoyed the march past and the races and all that. The only place where I caught up with you and then beat you hollow was on the badminton court, which we made at your home. And of course, it is a matter of different record that Ajay Singhal beat me hollow in Mayo Hall many years later. But I really enjoyed the fun of beating you, Sanjeev, in your badminton court, in your home. That was the only win I got over you. Otherwise, in a way, you were like a sort of a role model to me. So hats off to that friendship, Sanjeev, and I'm sure in the years ahead, we will continue to make it stronger. I don't know whether your audio is working or not. You are supposed to not speak.
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
You can't hear me.
I can vaguely hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Can you guys hear him?
Sanjeev, your audio is croaking.
My audio. On, I think
Bolo.
जिसको देना है क्रेडिट वो ही बोले, जो जिसको दिया वो चुप रहे यार, है ना? नहीं तो ये टाइम ही नहीं है.
So you can, Sanjeev, you can stay quiet for now. You can come in later, and someone else can pick it up from here.
Raj, shall we follow the way the guys are appearing on the screen?
I think Arun, that's the way.
So, shall I ask Bandhu to appreciate any one of your friends? Bandhu, Rajesh Kapoor, Mike, you have the mic in your hand.
I'm audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, so for me, I think Choton or Sukhendu was the first person who became friendly with me.
So you talk
This
to
was when
Sukhendu.
we were traveling to school also.
Talk to Sukhendu. You tell him now. The rest of us are off the radar. Aap bolo, dear Sukhendu.
Dear, you address Sukhendu. You talk to Sukhendu. That's right.
Okay. So before joining St. Joseph's, he was in Boys High School. We became friendly from there, and
No. I'm going to chip in here. Before joining, you were in Boys High School. No, he.
No, I was not in Boys High School. He was in Boys High School. I was in
So you
St.
tell him.
Anthony's.
You tell him.
Rajesh, you tell him what you feel about Sukhendu. Rajesh, you tell him about
Sukhendu, you are my best friend right from the childhood, and our friendship has maintained, and it has become like a family affair also. A down-to-earth person you are, and the most loving person in my life.
Okay, now next, Ajay Singhal.
Wonderful, wonderful. We can keep clapping also. Clapping में कोई वो लगाम नहीं है.
Now, no, you have to appreciate someone whom the previous person has not appreciated.
Yes.
Okay.
How about if I want to appreciate every person, every guy who is sitting in the group here, because all of you are equal friends to me. I can't choose one person, my dear friends. It's very difficult for me to choose one person. All of you, all of you.
Here.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
You are,
Politics.
you all are my heart and soul. You all are my heart.
Fine, Ashok. Ajay, it's okay. Ashok.
So the rest of you can't do the trick that Ajay did, huh? Now back to individual.
Partiality हो जाएगा.
Arun, there are two Ashoks.
भैया किसको बोल रहे हो?
नहीं, but Raj, what he said is correct. It's very difficult. You had many good friends. It's not that you had a best friend. ऐसा नहीं था.
No one is to take anything to heart. I can.
नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. मतलब इतने लोगों में एक नहीं होता है.
Appreciate करो जो सबसे बदमाश था उसको.
हाँ, चलो करो.
Appreciate one attribute in that person. That's it.
Okay. क्या अरुण मुझे बोलना है किसको बोलना है?
हाँ, Ashok, go ahead.
अरे शुरू हो जाना भैया.
Okay, I want to say a few words of one good friend who's not here today. Unfortunately, I can't because he, Rajiv Shukla, he lost his younger brother yesterday only. So we will not be very serious about the issue, but then he couldn't join because of that. And he was there, and his father was in ITI there at Allahabad, and then we two studied together, prepared for IIT, and then we both, since he got a better rank, he joined IIT Delhi first. So then I could have got IIT Kanpur or IIT Delhi. Kanpur would have been better, but then we had decided that wherever we'll go together. So we went there. He's a wonderful person. I always used to call him the Raj Kapoor of our batch.
Yes, he does resemble Raj Kapoor.
Very, very unassuming person, despite his father being in a very, very high position, both everywhere, including Delhi. And I love him. I enjoyed his friendship. I wish him all the very best and strength to take up the loss of his father, his uncle, his brother-in-law, his brother, and very sad, very sad. But anyway, he's very much there alive. Wish him all the best.
Very good. Excellent.
Becoming serious.
Who goes next?
Sir, I want to appreciate two guys.
हमने
उनसे पूछा ही नहीं.
Who's that?
I want to Anil Rai.
Hi, Anil.
I want to appreciate Ratandeep Gupta and the Fatso Sardar, whom I call a quack. I appreciate them for spoiling me to the extent that I am now.
Then you tell him, na? Then you tell him.
I'm telling both of them that I appreciate them spoiling me to the extent that I have been spoiled. And this is what my wife says कि तुम्हारे दोस्त कौन थे? I wish she could come and see कि एक रतनदीप गुप्ता and ये और उसके साथ में बाकी और 56 लोग और थे जिन्होंने स्पॉइल किया. स्कूल में मेरे को बोलते साइकिल चलवाता था सरदार मेरे से, किसको मिलने के लिए मतलब नो नेम्स.
बोल गया.
और रतनदीप गुप्ता के आप मेरे को बोलते थे नो दिस इज नॉट द एज टू डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स, अभी पढ़ाई का टाइम है. So I appreciate them. They introduced me to lovely women and good girls, and I followed the legacy of my class teacher, Mr. Roots, also, that a lot of girls were after him. And I also grew too tall. So thank you, Gurmeet, and thank you, Ratandeep, for spoiling me and for making me the way I am. So next time if somebody says कि यार तुम बड़े बदमाश हो, तो I can.
Pleasure. The pleasure was entirely ours.
To you.
Thank you. Thank you. Lovely. Who's going next? Is it Choton, Rajiv?
Yeah, shall I?
Yeah, Sunil.
Is it me? Hello? Can you hear me?
There's some confusion.
Sunil.
भगवान.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
Sunil.
मेरे लिए तो सभी बहुत प्रिय हैं. But if asked me to take one name, then I would say it's Pradeep. He's been my go-to guy for anything.
We can't hear you.
Can't hear you.
Can't hear me? Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Hello? Can you hear me now? Hello? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah,
we can.
यार बता दो कौन बोल रहा है तो वो भी इजी हो जाएगा. Who is this?
सुनील बोल रहा हूँ.
Okay.
Hello?
See what they're saying.
There's some noise in the background. Hello?
You can see.
एक तो रामशंकर का कुत्ता भौंक रहा है.
नहीं मेरा नहीं भौंक रहा है.
तुम्हारा चेहरा क्यों आ रहा है बार बार? तुम्हारा मुंह बंद है और तुम्हारा बार बार चेहरा क्यों दिख रहा है?
I don't know.
तुम्हारा शेर का चेहरा दिखेगा, तुम्हारा कुत्ते का आवाज आ रहा है.
Yeah, Sunil, go on.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
We can.
Yeah. मेरे लिए तो सभी.
You are on India TV.
Okay. Actually, मेरे लिए तो सभी प्रिय हैं यार. But if you insist that I should take one name, it has to be Pradeep, because he was the guy who got me into the group, and he's my one guy, a go-to guy for any advice, for anything. He's so genuine, so selfless, compassionate, and a very lovable friend. I'm very lucky to have a friend like him, and I wish him all the very best, Pradeep.
Thank you.
That's it.
Arun, announce the next name.
यार अरुण तुम नाम बताते जाओ एक.
Rajiv Mukherjee.
Okay, I am next. So I very fondly recall two friends, Sukhendu and Rajat. So in class 6th or 7th, we had become great friends then, and we used to have our lunch together. We used to climb those stairs above, beside the 10th high school. 10th high school उस समय जो था, उसके बगल में एक set of stairs used to go up. वहां जाके लैंडिंग में हम लोग तीनों जन मिलके खाना खाते थे. We used to share our tiffin together. So later on, when we reunited in 2005, उसके बाद से सुखेंदु and रजत के साथ पता नहीं कितनी बार मैं बेंगलोर में मिला हूँ. I have lost count. And every time I have met and talked to him, the conversations were so varied and so meaningful and so rich in content that I always remember them. And one interesting thing I'd like to tell about first time when we met Rajat in Delhi, it was around 12:30, 1 o'clock in the night, and Abhijit, remember, we had our dinner. We broke bread together in a hotel in which he was staying, and I had gone to leave my mother at the railway station by Prayagraj, and then came by car, and at around 12:30 tried to desperately find that hotel, but finally found it. And the three of us had our dinner at around 1:30 in the night. And that was the first time I was meeting Rajat after school. So Rajat, great friend you are. Sukhendu, no need of saying. I think everybody will call you as a friend here. So that's about it.
Okay guys, okay, रुक जाओ. एक तो साले तुम लोग कोई सुधरा नहीं, कोई कानून फॉलो नहीं करता है. मतलब गुंडागर्दी टोटल. बोल रहे हैं आदमी को अप्रिशिएट कर, लो, तुम लोग साले को बाबा आदम की कहानियां सुना रहे हो, सीढ़ी के नीचे बैठे थे, वो ऊपर जा रहे थे, वो स्कर्ट दिख रहा था, अरे एक मिनट, तो रूल, अच्छा, एंड आल्सो इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, इसके बाद आइटम नंबर्स हैं यार, रूल इज वेरी क्लियर. फॉर एग्जांपल, दीपक को अगर मुझे अप्रिशिएट करना है, बाकी कट द फ्लैफ. दीपक खन्ना, टू मी यू आर स्पेशल बिकॉज ऑफ गट 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 गट, पीरियड, डन.
राज भवन तेरी तरह सब टीचर थोड़ी है
यार तुम लोग. ये अनिल तुम तो फौजी आदमी हो, टेक आउट द गन्स यार, अब लेट्स स्टार्ट शूटिंग अगर कोई रूल वायलेट करता है.
गन है ही नहीं उसके पास.
चलो, we'll come to Indra, IK.
हाँ भाई.
Okay, IK, go ahead.
As I've said, it's very difficult to appreciate one person only, because I didn't have many friends in school whom I could call very dear, but I definitely had 4 or 5 very close friends there, and Pradeep was there, Alok was there, and Arun was there. Sukhendu, of course, I remember very well, but we got much very close afterwards. Now, if I have to appreciate, I'll say something about all these 2-3 people. You know, now Pradeep, I always loved him for his simplicity. So I think he was very, very well off person at that point in time, and he was always very helpful. Alok, I had a great friendship with Alok and Arun Sinha, because we were staying close together, and we used to, of course, go to each other's house every day. And Alok was like a family member for me, because his parents were also there, and he gave me a lot of advice, and he used to come to my house. And yeah, that's all.
अरुण,
Thank you.
थोड़ा ब्रेक लेने आधे घंटे का ना, कोई आया है, then I'll join you.
भाई अभी अरुण थोड़ा टाइम है यार, अभी मतलब बुलावा आ रहा है बार बार डिनर के. I don't know what is the schedule.
Next
Atul Saxena.
Rajat Gupta, I want to tell you, so in awe with you, when I came to St. Joseph, from Corbett Talukdars in Lucknow, I was lost at sea, really, coming to this place. And then I find people talking in English all the time, and especially this guy, you were reading these books, Rudlam and Leon Uris, these thick books. And here we were stuck to, James Hadley Chase or something, Perry Mason, thin books. And then you would swallow all these books overnight. During the debate session, elocution, I love how you recited, you narrated those passages. The one that stands in mind is the passage from To Kill a Mockingbird in that library one day, with the elocution contest. You won the prize that day. So that is, that is one thing that I really admire about you. And since then, my memory is 2006, May 13, 2006 is when we met in the Chhatarpur. And that's why I keep insisting it's 15 years, but perhaps you guys met before that year also. Because I didn't come to India in 2005. I came in 2006, and I was part of the ceremony. So I remember it was 15 years ago. You are unable to make it on that, but then you came all the way from Bangalore to see me with your daughter in Mumbai a couple of years ago, and that to me was really special. So I cherish those memories. Thank you for giving me those memories, Rajat.
Thank you, Ashok. I've got a sort of side advice, side instruction now. Now I'm being the bad guy, but side instruction koi aur de raha hai mujhe. Ki Raj, we have got a lot of stuff. Intervene, because it is just showing that so many of us have got so many feelings about each other. तो एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर यहाँ के बाद जितने लोग सब कर ही लो यार, अब जब आ गए तो सब एक अप्रिसिएशन दे दो. लेकिन सीधा बोल दो अगर जैसे मुझे आलोक को देना, हाय आलोक, टू मी यू आर दिस 15 सेकंड फ्लैट डन, लेट्स मूव। तो इसको थोड़ा फास्ट ट्रैक कर सकते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल करो यार, तेजी से करो।
चलो लेट अस मूव इनटू टॉप गियर। अभी मॉडल समझ में आ गया, अभी सीधा आदमी के मुंह पे बात करो, बोलो यार तुम्हारे अंदर ये स्पेशल है।
See, Raj, it is very difficult to pinpoint people, but then yes, I've been in touch with the most of my very close friends.
फिर कहानी सुनाने लगे, ठक पॉइंट वाइज।
हाँ पॉइंट वाइज चल रहा है, पॉइंट वाइज, क्योंकि आदमी बहुत है यार, सबको
अरे एक ही बात करो
शंकर, एक ही का बोलो।
राम शंकर
बोलेंगे,
हाँ राम शंकर को बुलवा लो।
Okay, my dear friends, the one person that is not present over here, he is Mukul Gupta, and let me tell you, he is one of the most noble and genuine souls that I have met during my whole school life, as well as even later on. So I really appreciate that person. Mukul, you are one of the most noble persons, and you are one of the most genuine souls that I have met in my life. That's it.
हम लोग के पीछे कौन सी पुलिस पड़ी है?
लवली लवली लवली।
चलो वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, आगे बढ़ो।
लवली नेक्स्ट
अग्रवाल।
एक्चुअली सेंट जोसेफ में तो 6th से आया था।
I followed protocol.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can. We can hear you.
Actually, I wanted to take the name of Mukul, but Ram Shankar already taken. We were together right from the beginning of the schooling in St. Anthony.
You need to take someone else's name. You need to take someone
Then
else's
the
name.
second name I will take Pradeep Kanodia.
Fine. Pradeep Kanodia is already
together.
हो गया।
अरे there can be more than one favorite यार. What is the meaning of this?
You understand?
Rules of the game are set like that. That's why I was saying.
My favorites are all behind Abhijit.
चलो।
Next to who is left? Subhamoy Paul.
Next.
अबे अनम्यूट तो करो। अनम्यूट करो, अब बोलो।
Attack से नाम और attribute. That's it.
कौन है?
Take the name.
कौन मैं बोलूं? शुभमय?
तुम ही बोलो
भाई।
बुढ़ा गए सब यार।
इतनी देर में पता चला है।
हाँ अरे बोलो यार, बैंचो एक एक नाम बोलना है, नाटक कर रहे हो यार।
मुझे बोलना है तो बोलो, मैं बोलूं?
अरे बोलो ना यार।
हमारे नाम तो ले रहे।
अच्छा यार सारे हैं मेरे। तो Deepak Chandra was with me, so I will shortlist on Ratan Kapoor. You know, I don't have much of memories of school life. He was staying in that University Road area, and I was in Ellington.
क्वालिटी बताओ,
क्वालिटी है कि जबरदस्त होस्ट है भैया, जबरदस्त होस्ट है। मेन चीज है, he is a foodie, I am a foodie. And he likes all sorts of food and I also enjoy it. और इनके यहाँ जो जाते हैं, जो धमाल होता है और जो भोजनवा करते हैं, मजा आ जाता है। ऐसा तो क्या बताएं यार। अब लगता है अगली बार कब बुलाएं तो हम आए, या वो हमारे यहाँ आए। He's a gem of a person. चलो हो गया my time, you know.
अरे अल्फाबेटिकली मेरा नाम भी आता है बीच में।
अभिजीत तो बोल रहे हो ना।
नहीं मेरा देखो, एक मिनट, मेरा 74 से एक ही दोस्त रहा जो जिसके साथ हम लोगों ने ये ग्रुप शुरू किया, पप्पू सेठ इज माय बम पैल। For past 3 months we have not spoken to each other. I am just requesting him कि साले क्या बात हो गई, 74 से हम लोग लगे हुए हैं। आप कौन से तुमने कोविड संभाल लिया इलाहाबाद में कि अपने अजीज को फोन करना छोड़ दिया?
That's a complaint.
आप क्या करें?
ओके चलो हो गया।
गुलमीत
मैं तो I am grateful that all of us are friends. Yeah,
I cannot pinpoint one. That's it. Period. But as far as one attribute is concerned, humor is Raj Bhuvan. I remember still his school essay about a railway journey, where he said, normally you say a summer trail journey is, you know, that we bought the ticket and went off. He said that there was a police beating on the railways and he went on to the ticket, on the train ticketless. That kind of a beginning of essay really impressed me.
कुलबीत तुम पंजाबी में भी बोल सकते हो.
तो मैंने अबे अंग्रेजी पढ़ा लिखा के इतना बड़ा किया था. दूसरा है all our school memories, कई लोगों की are all entwined around Nanne and Rajiv. And Anil is indispensable as far as school is concerned. Arun is indispensable as far as school is concerned. ये कितना अभी गाना गा गा के बेचता है, तब एक साला मैं शायर तो नहीं, गाने के लिए बत्ती बंद हो जाती थी इसकी. कितनी बार कहना पड़ता था इससे. एसके के घर के बाहर कितनी प्लेजेंट मेमोरीज. Now you can't say just one person. Bye guys. Bye.
भाई
ऐसा है. अरुण भाई.
Yes.
अरुण भाई. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
बहुत अब ये हो गया, गेम बहुत देर से हो गया. अब आपका एक नंबर हमको को गाना सुनना है. अब हम लोगों को
हमें रोज सुनते हैं, अभी पूरा करने दो ना.
आज के दिन को एक स्पेशल होना ही होना है.
अबे लंबू 2 मिनट वेट कर लो.
अरे यार हो गया है यार. अब एक जरा अरुण को सुन लो.
नहीं यार, सबको मौका मिलना चाहिए. सबको मौका मिलना चाहिए.
सबको मौका मिलना चाहिए. क्या बात है.
ये नन्हे को सुन ले, आलोक को सुन ले.
हाँ यार, सबको मौका मिलना चाहिए.
ये क्या बात है.
राजीव जी और सब अपने वर्सटाइल सिंगर्स हैं. थोड़ा
अरे रोज सुनते हैं.
अरे वो
बेसुरा गाएंगे, क्या मतलब हुआ उसका.
We are waiting for Ratandeep.
अरे अरुण अगला नाम ले यार.
Ratandeep.
यार, we are running out of time.
I hear. I would like to say a few words about the school captain. दीपक खन्ना.
यार बहुत दिन से तुम्हारी आवाज ही नहीं सुनी. बोलो.
दीपक के साथ जो लास्ट ईयर में यारी हुई है, आज तक मैं याद रखता हूँ. दोस्त हो तो दीपक खन्ना जैसा.
अच्छा.
इसके साथ एक बड़ा अच्छा रहता था यार. कहीं भी जाओ, कुछ भी फंसो तो हॉकी निकाल के 2 लगा देता था. सारे कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती थी. Cheers to you, Deepak.
आलोक.
कप्तान साहब बोलो. कप्तान साहब. दीपक साहब बोलो.
बोलो भाई पिंकी.
दीपक ऑडियो ऑफ है यार.
ऑडियो ऑन करो.
आवाज म्यूट अनम्यूट करो.
हाँ तो देखो, आज ऐसा है, सभी प्यारे दोस्त हैं तो एज एवरीबडी सेड. सो आज थोड़ा बढ़िया माहौल में बोलते हैं. राज को चूज करता हूँ एंकर जो है. अभी ये हमारे साथ 1B से 7 था, ठीक है, और ऊपर तक आया. He's so nice.
बोलो यार.
अबे राज तेरे को
अरे बोलने दो यार.
राज was so nice कि जब कहीं कोई टीचर क्लास में नहीं आता था तो बाजू में खड़ा होकर बोलता था so and so is no more. No more. ऐसी कौन सी अंग्रेजी तुमने सीखी है. तो कहता था अरे वो टीचर नहीं आने वाला है. ठीक है. और दूसरी बात एक मजेदार ये है इसकी कि बहुत सीधा था. समोसा बोलो, ये बोलो, सब खिलाता पिलाता आता जाता रहता था. तो राज यार ऐसा है कि तुम्हारे में एक आदत है कि तुम ना कभी नहीं बोलते थे हमको. तो अच्छा हुआ कि तुम लड़की पैदा नहीं हुए, अदरवाइज यू वुड हैव रिमेन्ड प्रेग्नेंट ऑल योर लाइफ.
लुंगी पहन के शीर्षासन करता है. लुंगी पहन के शीर्षासन करता है.
एक मिनट, एक बार और बोलूंगा. अभिजीत रॉय की पेंट हाउस में मस्तराम अभिजीत रॉय ने इंट्रोड्यूस करी थी.
और बच गया राज.
अच्छा पार्थो जी बोलिए. पार्थो सेनगुप्ता सर.
अनम्यूट. गौतम अनम्यूट.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Hi. So hi everybody. So
as everybody said, it's very difficult to make a choice. But since you are forced by Rajbo and the monitor to do so, and by our very overbearing Mr. Abhijit Roy, so I'll take three names. I think firstly, I must say that I'm not a very great extrovert, so I was always very quiet in school, and I had a smaller group of friends. But I must make special reference to Sukhendu and Pradeep, who have stood by me in certain situations of need, I would say. And I think they've been very supportive, and I'm very thankful to them. So they've been great guys, very supportive. And the one guy I would like to make special reference to is Sotu. He's been my partner at Banaras when we got selected. Like Ashok mentioned, Sotu and me went to BHU together. We shared the first rooms when we were given a joint accommodation in Banaras. And from there on, we had been all through together in Banaras and had been very helpful from being good support in our ragging days, so to say. So these are three people specifically that I would like to mention. But otherwise, everybody is a dear friend. Love being part of the group. It was very nice. I mean, I cannot forget everybody's contribution in early days and now after retirement, I would say, where we are nice and happy together. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys.
Pitama.
Great.
Pitama.
हाँ भैया, हमको लगता है कि बहुत सीरियस हो गया, हर आदमी सबकी तारीफ कर रहा है। मैं अनिल राय के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ।
बोलिए।
मतलब सबसे हरामी, सबसे उद्दंड और सबसे बड़ा लड़कीबाज। इलाहाबाद के मोहल्ले में घूमता था, जगह हर टैगोर टाउन से निकल के और पता नहीं कौन मोहल्ले में जाता था।
मतलब घाट का पानी पिए।
अभी भी पीता है, अब चंडीगढ़ में पीता था।
कुछ नाम शेयर करिए।
अरे वो पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं।
रतन, इसका कहानी बंद हो गई है। कहानी खत्म हो गई।
पोटास खत्म हो गया।
खत्म हो गई है, ये डर के मारे घर से ही नहीं निकलता।
टाइगर सोतू
अभी मैं देता हूँ।
सोतू
हाँ भाई
बोलो।
I'll pass on. I'll give my time to somebody else.
ऐसा नहीं होता।
हमारे इतने सारे ऐसा नहीं होगा भाई।
Pass is not an option.
या तो सबके लिए बोलना पड़ेगा, 40 लोगों के लिए।
Anil, we have overshot the time by 200%.
दीपक चंद्रा
प्रदीप और शशि।
प्रदीप ने बोला, दीपक ने नहीं बोला। गाना बजाना होता रहेगा यार, रोज होता है।
प्रदीप एंड शशि।
भाई सबसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है हर एक इंसान से। सबको हमारा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है कि आप लोग हमारे मित्र रहे हैं। आज एक ही इंसान के बारे में थोड़ी याद आ रही है, तो इस समय हम लोग के बीच में नहीं है, तो उनकी याद करते हैं। सैयद आसिफ अली, कुछ आप लोगों के भी दोस्त हुआ करते थे। उस इंसान के साथ हमारी दोस्ती जो है थोड़ी बहुत सेंट जोसेफ में थी, पर ज़्यादा जो है बादी में हुई। और हम लोग दारू पिया करते थे, लोगों को गाली साथ में दिया करते थे। और उस आदमी से हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है कि कैसे जो है एडवेंचरस होते हैं, जिंदगी को खेला समझ के उसको खेलते हैं, और हर चीज़ में भाग लिया है और हर चीज़ को निडर तरीके से आगे बढ़े हैं, उसके साथ खेला है और उसमें सक्सेस भी पाई है। तो लॉन्ग लिव सैयद आसिफ अली। थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अ गुड फ्रेंड।
रजत गुप्ता।
So,
where are you, Rajat?
I am here.
Yeah.
I don't know whether this guy is here or not. Anup Banerjee has been a friend from before school. We were friends. We talk about the first friend we make in school, which actually was Vibhu Agarwal. I don't know, he's also not here. He's not joined in. But the guy who was my friend before I joined school, and one of the reasons why I joined this particular school was Anup Banerjee. We were friends when, from the time we sort of got to talk to each other or learned how to talk. So if he's here, all the best. And if he's not here anyway, all the best to him. And one more specifically is for Raj Bowen. So Raj, your question was, जो जब मर जाते हैं सबको लेके हम बहुत अच्छे बोलते हैं. एक बात बताओ, ये स्वर्गीय के बदले में नरकिया कोई टर्म नहीं है क्या? किसी के बारे में तो वो लागू होना चाहिए, नहीं?
Question out of syllabus.
सर जी, वो होता है नरक गुलजार.
Anyway, move on, guys. There are still to be done. Shashi, MP, Shashi
and Pappu are left. Shashi.
Okay, हम बोलते हैं. अच्छा, as per the rules, I think we are not supposed to discuss school days and this thing and all that. I'm supposed to directly address. So I'm addressing Raj Bowen because recently I have been interacting with him maximum. After the school days, I have not been in touch with most of the people, and I got into the group, I think around 2013 or something. So Raj Bowen, I find him to be one of the persons with the most twist. Abey Raj Bowen, tumko bol rahe hain. A person with the most twisted sense of humor, but within that there is a level of maturity which I appreciate in you. And since during the recent interactions, these are the discoveries that I made about you, that you are not the person that you propose or show yourself as. You are a different person from inside. You are a very nice person, and keep it up.
Thank you.
इतनी तारीफ तो कभी सुनी, राज ने इतनी तारीफ तो कभी सुनी नहीं थी.
नहीं, वो तो अंदर का भी बात बता दिया यार. He knows the inner मामला also. अभी तो dangerous मामला.
Mr. Roots की तरफ बोल के चला गया.
Raj is unable to believe himself.
से पहले बोलना था ना.
Okay, who's next? Who's missing?
Pradeep Kanodia.
Alok Srivastava also, I think.
He has already.
लोग श्रीवास्तव तो बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बोलने नहीं दिया जा रहा.
देखो, मुझे ही याद आया. आलोक, you say.
यार अभी तुम लोग बोलने नहीं दे रहे हो तो हम क्या करें?
अब तुम बोलो.
अभी right now I can only think of SK, and SK is one of the most rock solid guys I have met, and he has been with me since 7th standard, and I just don't know how to describe him, but he has always been so mature, so rooted, and so such a guy, you can always go to. He will be with you all the way. So thank you, SK, all the way. Thank you so much.
Is he on the group, SK?
SK, of course he's on the group. He's there.
He was, but he's left now.
Okay, so
I think RD is also not spoken. RD?
RD spoken again.
आपकी बात सुनने के लिए मैं हूँ.
RD spoken.
Arun has not spoken.
Yeah, Arun is not.
SK is there. SK आ गया. SK is not spoken. SK.
Yeah, SK क्या हाल है?
My best and jigri dost is हमारे Sotu Gupta. Sotu bhai, thank you for all the support in life that you have been giving me. And at any point of time when I find myself in trouble, the first name which comes to my mind is Rajiv Gupta. Thank you very much for being there in my life.
वेलकम.
भैया राजीव गुप्ता ने एक बार हमको ड्राइव किया था इलाहाबाद में. आए रात को 1 बजे, और वो भी 120 स्पीड में. मजा आएगा वहां, और दोनों टुन्न थे.
तुम गलत बोल रहे. सोतू ऐसा नहीं कर सकता.
अरे भैया किया है, ऐसा किया है, जबरदस्त किया.
वो स्पीड से चल ही नहीं सकता. वो
बोतल के बाद ना.
बोतल के बाद की बात है. बहुत मजा आया था भाई.
अब दोनों बंदा है.
All done.
SK.
पप्पू सेठ बचा है.
हाँ भैया. पूरा अभिजीत रॉय. You have been my best friend ever since class 7th in St. Joseph's. You have been a man with golden heart, and seen you up the hill and down the hill through your 60 years. You had been drinking like a fish, gave up for 14 years, and have again started drinking. This is one thing which I don't appreciate in you. So please come back to your original self. You are a lovely person to go for, and I love you. Thank you.
Who's left? Who's left?
Raise your hands. Who is left? SK.
SK.
बोल के गया ना अभी.
कहाँ गया?
अरे है यार.
Yeah, I'm very much there.
हाँ तो बोलो.
See, it's very difficult to say about someone particular, but मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि सब जो स्कूल के लोगों के साथ जो बदमाशी की, जो बुरी बातें थे सीखी, that has made me into a better person what I am today. With all the cross, Anil, Sotu, Anil, Kulmeet, जो जिसको झेला मैंने सालों को इतने साल से, और Arun, I mean, RD. So all those things have made me a better person, and they still make me a better person. बदमाश वाले उतने ही हैं, but then I appreciate that. So that's short and sweet.
Thank you. Who's left?
Thank you. All done. All done. कोई छूटा तो
All
नहीं?
done, Raj.
Then shall we move on?
Deepak Khanna.
हो गया. हो गया.
Sukendu.
He has also spoken. He has also spoken.
मैं तो पूरे मीटिंग में ही बोलता रहा है यार.
नन्हे नहीं बोला यार.
बोल दिया. तुम सुने.
चलो ठीक है, मैं एक दो लाइन बोल देता हूँ.
कौन बोल रहा है?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
बोलो.
तुम लुंगी पहन के शीर्षासन करते हो ना? लुंगी पहन के शीर्षासन करते हो?
लुंगी तो यहाँ पे दो ही लोग पहनते हैं, शशिधरन और अरुण सिन्हा.
अच्छा, I would go little off the group and say some words for Atul Saxena, who has been present in this meeting, being a very odd time in USA now. Now it's very early morning there, and he has just been present. I tell you, this fellow received Rajesh Kapoor from the airport, took him to his house. They stayed overnight. Next day, he drove all the way to my ship, and we had a nice gathering on my boat, on my ship. So, दोस्ती हो तो ऐसा नहीं.
नहीं एकदम सही कह रहे हैं भैया. अतुल बाबू हमें भी
कभी भी मतलब he is way out.
Gem of a person.
Nobody spoke for him, so I took the opportunity to say something. बाकी सभी लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं.
Hello, shall we move on to the next?
Next
Because
course.
It's already 1.5 hours.
Yes, please, Arun, move on.
Yeah. Now we come to the music section, music part of it.
Yeah.
So may I request Rajiv Mukherjee to sing a song on friendship or whatever he likes, just one antara, because the time is short.
Yeah, so it has to be without music. So jo bhi.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So whatever comes to mind.
Yeah.
So here it goes. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना, मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के, बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के, मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के, बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के, यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना. Thank you.
Wow. Great.
अशोक, यार 4 लाइनें सुना दो ना.
हाँ अशोक का सुन ले यार, बहुत दिन।
अशोक म्यूट
अशोक कहाँ हो? म्यूट हो रहा हो यार भाई साहब।
अशोक अनम्यूट करो, अनम्यूट करो।
हाँ।
तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया। आज फिर दिल ने एक तमन्ना की, आज फिर दिल ने एक तमन्ना की, आज फिर दिल को हमने समझाया, आज फिर दिल को हमने समझाया। Thank you.
Very nice.
Atul, what time is it there in USA now?
Pradeep.
It's noon. It's almost noon now.
Darlene.
Arun.
Right.
ये दोस्ती
मेरा बंद कर दे,
छोड़ेंगे,
ये सब कोई को गाना एक साथ।
मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। थैंक यू।
Great.
Very good.
Very good, very good.
Deepak, we are waiting for you. Deepak Chandra. First Deepak Chandra and then Deepak Khanna.
मुझे तो गाना नहीं आता, मैं उसके साथ गाता हूँ बस।
दीपक चंद्रा यार,
दीपक 4 लाइन सुनानी है यार, 4 लाइन सुनानी है।
चला जा।
सही में यार गाना नहीं आता, वो पप्पू के साथ गाते हैं। पप्पू गाना गाओ, तुम्हारे साथ गाएंगे। अरे यार गाओ, कुछ भी गाओ, हम तुम्हारे साथ नहीं।
पुकारता चला हूँ मैं ही गा दो यार दीपक।
चलो गा दो।
हाँ चलो भाई। पुकारता चला हूँ गली गली बहार की, बस एक शाम जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह है प्यार की, पुकारता चला हूँ मैं। थैंक यू।
Wow.
Very nice.
Very nice, very nice, very nice.
दीपक खन्ना तो गायब हो गए भैया। और दीपक
धागा चुनरी में दाग।
बहुत दिन हो गया।
अरे यार बोला था अभी भैया, छोड़ दिया ये सब। अच्छा
हमें लगा चुन्नी में दाग।
धूम बराबर धूम शराबी हो जाए।
नहीं ऐसा है कप्तान साहब, कम से कम गायत्री मंत्र तो सुना दो आज का।
जूम बराबर जूम शराबी।
जूम बराबर जूम शराबी।
हो जाए।
हाँ कोई ऐसा गाना गाओ सबको
नाहरम में सुकून मिलता है न बुत खाने में, चैन मिलता है तो साकी तेरे मैं खाने में।
क्या बात है, वाह वाह।
झूम 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 बराबर झूम शराबी, झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम शराबी, झूम बराबर झूम। काली घटा है काली फिजा है, काली घटा है काली फिजा है, जाम उठा के घूम घूम घूम, झूम बराबर झूम शराबी, झूम बराबर झूम, झूम बराबर झूम शराबी, झूम बराबर झूम।
क्या बात
आहा हा झूम 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 झूम।
बहुत अच्छे,
कॉल का नेशनल एंथम बन जाना चाहिए।
नहीं नहीं, एक मिनट, कैन आई से वन थिंग? ये हम लोग जब 11th क्लास में थे 74 में, बाकी जब तुम भाई लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, दीपक भैया को और मेरे को पता नहीं कहाँ चुतियापा का आइडिया आया कि हम एक स्टार नाइट करेंगे, स्टार नाइट। तो हमने स्टार नाइट ऑर्गेनाइज किया, मे बी इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर और सितंबर, समथिंग लाइक दैट। और 4-5 हमारे दोस्त आए और जूनियर शांतनु राणा ये वो आए, और वहां पे ये गाना कप्तान साहब ने पेश किया। तो हम लोग बेसुरा गाते रहे। हम्बल सबमिशन यही है कि मेरे बहन को शराबी बनने का कारण ये दीपक खन्ना ही है।
ये गाना
और मजेदार बात है, दीपक खन्ना खुद नहीं पीता।
अच्छा, रियली?
हाँ
चलो
पानी तो पीता है।
अरे भाई ऐसा है कि वो
पूरा कोटा दे दिया।
आरडी गुप्ता के यहाँ, उसके यहाँ आरडी के यहाँ पार्टी होती थी दारू पी के, तो ये अरुण सिन्हा एसके सिंह को तो इनको एक एक के घर पहुंचाते थे, हमारी ड्यूटी होती थी। और अरुण सिन्हा को तो मतलब
झूठ नहीं बोलो,
उसको बताया,
झूठ बोल रहे हो सब।
अरे कुछ नहीं झूठ बोल रहे, वो अरुण सिन्हा को तो वो तो जरा अपने मतलब पूरे ट्राउजर में पेशाब किया था, उसका कपड़ा भी पहनाता था घर में उसके, और फिर उसको लेटाता था। और उसका वो बाहर से दरवाजा था, वहीं पे उसको मतलब सुला सुलू करके फिर आते थे। वो घर में हमारी परेड हो जाती थी, बोलते थे रात को इतनी देर तक कहाँ थे तुम, 2 बजे तक 3 बजे तक।
ये सब झूठ बोल रहा है, इसकी बात मत मानना।
अरे दद्दा से पूछो, तुम्हारे दद्दा को मालूम है जब जाते थे तो वही मिलते थे। अच्छा ऐसी हालत है, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं।
फिंगर पॉइंट एट हूम एट आरडी गुप्ता ना, बिगाड़ने वाला कौन?
झूम बराबर झूम शराबी का गाना, चल आगे बढ़।
बराबर झूम शराबी और पिलाने वाला, ये अपने कहाँ से लेके आए थे?
अरुण भी
चारों तरफ
अतुल would you sing? Atul from overseas.
Your time begins.
अतुल सक्सेना।
यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी, यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी, यार हो मेरे जुदा, यार हो मेरे जुदा, मेरा जिंदगी, यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी।
वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस,
वेरी नाइस, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
सुनील
पितामह
भैया मैं गाना
भगवान कहाँ चले गए?
2 लाइन सुनाओ, 2 लाइन।
राजीव मुखर्जी
दो
कहाँ
लाइन।
गया? अरे हम गा चुके भैया।
नहीं, तुम्हारे घर सुने हैं हम लोग, 2 लाइन सुनाओ, तुम बकवास मत करो।
कहाँ से मैं गाना गाऊं?
तुम्हारे घर सुने हुए हम लोग, 2 लाइन सुना दो।
अनूप बैनर्जी भी सुना सकते हैं, अनूप बैनर्जी
को बोलो। कहाँ है? दिख नहीं रहा है।
चला गया।
जनरल साहब चले गए।
चले गए। पितामह 2 लाइन सुना दो।
अरे मान्यवर मैं नहीं कर सकता, मैं जान रहा हूँ।
सुना दो, मान जाओ।
दद्दा का बैकग्राउंड चेंज हो गया,
दूसरी पिक्चर का स्लाइड शो चल रहा है।
चलो अरुण, अब तुम्हारी बारी है।
रात
हो जाए
राधा का स्लाइड शो चल रहा है पीछे।
भाई एक बात ध्यान रखो, 15 मिनट पहले कहा था अभिजीत ने कि मुझको बता देना, उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है गिफ्ट।
अब बेचारा वेट कर रहा है, देखो अपना पकड़ के।
मैंने थोड़ा याद दिला दिया कि तुम लोग ये बकचोदी करके सो जाओगे, सो नहीं पाओगे, मुठ मारने के लिए कुछ तो चाहिए।
वेट कर रहा है ना, देखो पकड़ के वेट कर रहा है।
बोला दादा, नाउ यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द गिफ्ट्स।
चलो अरुण, स्टार्ट हो जाओ।
अरुण सुनाओ।
ओके। दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। दौलत और जवानी एक दिन खो जाती है, सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है। दौलत और जवानी एक दिन खो जाती है, सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है। उम्र भर दोस्त लेकिन साथ चलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं।
वाह
वाह वाह,
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। आलोक श्रीवास्तव,
सुभान अल्लाह।
थैंक यू।
आलोक श्रीवास्तव सुना दे।
Value the friendships, boss. This is a difficult, I mean, बड़ी मुश्किल से दोस्त मिलते हैं, and we are lucky to have, fortunate to have so many friends. So please value that.
आलोक सुनाओ यार 2 लाइन।
आलोक श्रीवास्तव 4 लाइनें।
मैंने कभी जिंदगी में गाना नहीं गाया, मैं कौन सा गाना गाता हूँ?
अच्छा, anyway, now because the time is running out, we will not be able to hold the game. So stage is open for anyone who wants to speak anything about today's meeting or share your experiences.
Yeah. I wanted to say one thing. Yeah.
Tell me.
All these guys who are computer savvy like Arun and all that, who have made a virtual directory out of birthdays and anniversaries, we must get together a composite group of the kids as to whichever countries they are, wherever they are, they should also get to meet. Yeah.
Okay, we can do that.
Yeah, that would be very nice. Yeah.
Can I say about half a minute?
Yeah.
All this, Foundation Day celebration, loving each other is all very good. But I just want to say that over the past 1 year or so, there have been differences between friends on this so-called fastest finger fast bloody WhatsApp. All I pray is that we must set aside these differences and we must remember that we are brothers who went knickers to school together. We have come together for 16 years. Let not our opinions, let not our predilections, let not all these kind of things. Let that not take the the front of our minds in dealing with our friends. That's my humble submission. Second thing, please, that I think Pitama and myself and Papu said we have done our job, and I see in Arun, I see in General Saab, and you may choose amongst yourselves. Atul Bhai is there, a new set of leaders who will lead this thing in this nice
I don't agree with you. There are no leaders. Everybody is equal.
No leader.
We will not talk about this. This is not the forum to talk about all these things.
No.
Please.
Somebody has to
Please
lead the group.
Please
You are a
leave it at that. Abhijit, leave it at that, please.
No, we have done it today. Done it. It will be there. It is a collective effort. Yeah. We are all equals. Nothing like that.
It is not a question of equal. Somebody has to lead. Somebody has to moderate.
एक चाहत होती है अपनों के साथ जीने की, और वो चाहत है, that is why we got so many people together. ठीक है, वो चाहत है अपनों के साथ जीने की. ठीक है, मरना तो सबको मालूम है कि अकेले मरना है.
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना.
Join us, guys, everyone.
जी चाहे जब हम को आवाज दो, हम हैं यही, हम
भगवान अभी प्रकट हुए,
हैं
भगवान कुछ सुनाओ यार.
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ.
Sunil, anything appropriate?
एक बंगला में मैं बोलूं रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का. পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে, হায় ও সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায়.
सुनील का गाना रह गया. भगवान
गाना.
रवींद्र संगीत, ये तो रवींद्र संगीत हो गया.
हाँ,
रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का रविंद्र संगीत.
सुनील, यस.
ये दोस्त पिक्चर में था.
I'd like to say something, yeah.
If any of you have seen this movie, Dost.
Sukhendu, Anil, Sunil is saying something.
Okay, please go ahead. भगवान गाओ भाई.
भाई भगवान के साथ.
I just want to say something here. I'm saying something from the heart.
Yeah.
Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Friends, I just wanted to say that I'm really touched by your very kind gesture in offering your sympathies and condolences on the recent bereavement in the family of few of our friends, including mine. Thank you very much for your support in these devastating times. I'm totally heartbroken, to say the least, with this tragedy and trying to come to terms with it. We can fight anything in this world, but we can never fight our destiny. Thank you once again, all of you. These are difficult times, and I hope and pray that you and your family stay safe and healthy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I would now request
Arun, now we are closing to two hours now, so I'll request you to give a 2-line song, and thereafter we'll request Ratan Pitama to kindly give the closing remarks.
What? The 2-line song, Paul has already sung, but anyway. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
वाह, बहुत ही उम्दा, मजा आ गया.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
Thank you everybody for joining this, and especially my special thanks to Raj and to Arun for getting everybody together, the biggest gathering that we've had. And now I'll request our Pitama Ratan to kindly do the honors of giving some pearls of wisdom as his closing remarks.
I'm just coming.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप?
सुन के जाएंगे, वो कोई नहीं, बोलो, वो सुन रहे हैं.
It's been a pleasure. आज शाम बहुत अच्छी रही, and I must thank Raj Bowen for getting Mr. Clarence Roots. That was very touching, and in fact added a very interesting dimension to the whole meeting today. And of course, जो गाने का सेशन रहा उसमें हम पार्टिसिपेट तो नहीं कर पाए, but I obviously enjoyed everybody's songs. It's quite nice. और ऐसे ही हम लोग हर साल इसी टाइप की मीट करते रहे फिजिकली। ये तो ऑनलाइन मीट में मजा तो आया, बट उतना मजा नहीं है क्योंकि खाना पीना दारू सेपरेटली पीने से फायदा नहीं है, इकट्ठे पीने मजा आता है। सो आई गेस फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट ईयर होपफुली वी कैन मेक once a year in Delhi, and then perhaps around 14th of November जब हम लोग स्पोर्ट्स सेशन होता है तो इलाहाबाद, तो 2 sessions every year, मई में और नवंबर में we ought to meet.
We must.
And
दिल्ली के बाहर भी,
दिल्ली में I will take up the responsibility of organizing everything, and of course इलाहाबाद में I've got our कहाँ गए ग्रैंड मास्टर, ग्रैंड मास्टर दीपक चंद्रा एंड अजय सिंगल सर, इन लोग का ट्रायो बहुत स्ट्रांग है, तो we will continue to have our strength in numbers and in meeting each other and sharing our lives together. Thank you everybody.
Thank you.
Okay guys.
Thank you everybody.
Before you guys sign off.
शब्बा खैर।
अरे रुक जाओ यार, रुक जाओ before you guys sign off.
अरे वो उसका गिफ्ट का क्या हुआ?
अरे मैंने
क्लोजिंग का गिफ्ट का क्या हुआ?
भी है यार।
अबे वो
राज बोएनवा
वो बोल रहा है, राज बोल रहा है, सुनो भाई।
अरे मैंने क्लोजिंग स्पीच लिखी हुई है, साली बोल तो लेने दो यार।
बोलो
2 मिनट और
बोलो।
अच्छा एक वादा रहा, दिस विल बी पॉसिबली बी द शॉर्टेस्ट क्लोजिंग स्पीच यू हैव एवर हर्ड, और स्पीच के बाद बताऊंगा स्पीच का टॉपिक क्या है। सो आदत से मजबूर हूं तो कहना पड़ता है लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अब लेडीज को यहाँ है नहीं अनलेस समवन हैज केप्ट इट अ क्लोजली गार्डेड सीक्रेट फॉर 63 इयर्स, तो और जेंटलमैन तो साला कोई नहीं है इसमें, तो लेडीज एंड स्काउंड्रल्स एंड रफियंस, यू कैन चूज व्हिचएवर कैटेगरी यू फॉल इन। इट गिव्स मी ग्रेट प्लेजर, थैंक यू। टॉपिक बता दूं?
टॉपिक था थैंक यू,
टॉपिक इज सेक्स,
टॉपिक था थैंक यू।
ये बिल क्लिंटन की
टॉपिक है
बिल क्लिंटन की स्पीच है।
पीसी पांडे जैसे बोलते थे कि अंग्रेजी चोद रहे हो।
yes we are coming there, the topic
हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी बोलो,
ये मुझे बहुत मन की शांति देता है।
And final item is Abhijit Roy's gift.
बढ़ गया मेरा, देखो पीछे खाली हो गया,
देखो पीछे भाई बहुत चालू है साला,
लाइट शो बंद कर दिया,
किसी को नहीं नहीं खाली भी हो गया,
लाइट शो बंद कर दिया।
होशियार थे।
बाय गाइस, गुड नाइट,
थैंक्स।